Hey guys, welcome to the 5 Best Review. Here we bring best of everything after long research and evaluation, so that you can decide wisely before buying a product. Today the 5 Best presents 5 best bug zappers to buy in 2020. Summer is synonymous with outdoor fun in the sun. Unfortunately, bug bites and mosquito swatting usually come along with it. That's why you need a bug zapper. They effectively eliminate wasps, flies, mosquitoes, and other creepy crawlies that might be plaguing you. From handheld to hanging designs, these electric bug zappers can help you get back to what summer's all about. Relaxing and enjoying yourself all season long. We are featuring the best 5 bug zappers depending on few important factors. Whether it's the price, performance or durability, we've got you covered. For additional information, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started from the bottom. In 5th place we have the Flotron BK40D electronic insect killer. The Flotron BK40D is a great choice for homes on larger lots that want to enjoy an insect-free outdoor environment. It's also a great choice for barns, utility sheds, or garages where mosquitoes and other flying insects are a nuisance. The housing is made of a durable polycarbonate, so it won't rust when exposed to the elements. You will likely need an extension cord to connect the unit to the power supply, since the included cord is short and generally not long enough to reach an outlet once the unit is hung up or installed. Winning the war against insects on their own turf requires an effective outdoor bug zapper. The best model available for outdoor use is the Flotron BK40D. This corded bug zapper will attract and eradicate mosquitoes and other flying insects in an area up to an acre in size or more, depending on model purchased. It works by drawing pests in with a UV light and optional bait attractant, then zapping them by means of an electrified grid. Moving to the next one of the list in 4th place, we have the BLACK+DECKER Bug Zapper. BLACK+DECKER Electric Bug Zapper, powerful pest relief from camp to kitchen. The lantern-style bug zapper contains a long-lasting UV light and emits an ideal glow gentle to the eye, but irresistible to those pesky bugs. Powerful pest relief from camp to kitchen. Whether you're dealing with biting backyard insects or persistent houseflies, this electric bug zapper from BLACK+DECKER provides dependable pest control up to a maximum 625 square feet. The lantern's long-lasting UV light emits an ideal glow gentle to the eye, but tough on pesky bugs. Hang it up high, relax and enjoy your indoor or outdoor space while the machine works its zapping magic. Once the party is over, pull out the collection tray, empty into the garbage, and use the provided brush to restore the grid to a pristine clean. Designed for optimal safety and energy efficiency, our high-powered killer can also withstand rain, wind and most non-severe weather conditions. Coming up next in 3rd place we have the Boomel Bug Zapper. Unlike some of the other options in this list that are large electric bug zappers, this is actually a standard light bulb replacement. For those that are looking for a small bug zapper light, here is a high-performing one. It is the cheapest devices in our reviews, but it still offers top-notch service. This bulb uses an advanced technology that makes it possible to choose from 3 modes, and you can use it both indoors and outdoors. The long lifespan makes this the best bulb zapper, as it has a working life of an impressive 50,000 hours, and it is also highly energy efficient to make it even better. Now time for the second best of our list. In 2nd place we have the Aspectec 20. Here is one of the best indoor bug zappers for any homeowner looking for a chemical-free way of dealing with pesky insects. It will provide a powerful insect control mechanism that will attract everything from flies and moths to mosquitoes and other flying bugs. And it is also a safe zapper to use thanks to the protective mesh grid that prevents accidental contact with the grid. Installation is also quick and easy as there is nothing much to do. And maintenance should also only take a few minutes as there is a removable and washable plastic tray at the bottom for getting rid of the dead bugs, and the electric grid is also self-cleaning. And finally on the top of our list, we have the Dynatrap Insect and Mosquito Trap. The Dynatrap Insect and Mosquito Trap works in 3 ways to trap mosquitoes. First, it draws them in with a warm UV light, then it produces carbon dioxide to lure them close. Finally, the trap uses a silent vacuum to suck bugs into its chamber, where they become dehydrated and die. This product is completely non-toxic, so it can be used around both pets and kids. Thanks for watching and we hope the video will help you to purchase the right bug zapper. Comment if you have any further query and do not forget to forward a friend who is looking for a bug zapper. Hit subscribe to stay updated with our the 5 best videos. We bring the best 5 of everything for you every day. Ciao till the next best 5.